Got to pay for your national park fees to go out here fishing every day. Cape Range National Park. There's the ranger dude. Got another spot this morning. We're going out to Pilgramuna. Oh, look at this dirty old part of the city. Now Coops is onto a big fish over there. Good lens cap trick.
Bill's still waiting for his line to hit the bottom. 100 metres plus of water, 110 metres.
Yeah, we haven't had much luck today, have we, Bill?
No, just opened the esky up, like I said.
Oh, well, you got a free arm?
Yeah, I'm still going down, look.
Oh, gee whiz. Wish we caught some fish today.
Shark.
Andrew's got a shark. Billy's just put back a bronze whaler too. Very, very pretty out here. On your Coops.
A little shark compared to mine.
Yeah. Billy Whitebum, smile for the camera. Getting bites.